What's up everyone, Ryan at Manly Muscle Cars coming at you with this 79 K20 Silverado 4-wheel drive. I'm calling it Square Beauty. Let's take a closer look. Shoes are painted, and unlike many of these, there's not a rust issue. The floor pans are incredible. Paint shines beautifully. Sitting on some newer tires. Transfer case were rebuilt. It's a whole list of new on this thing. Starts right up. Runs amazing. Check out the bed. It's all lined and ready for whatever you want to throw at it. Includes that toolbox. And on the inside, very original. It's got some new carpet. Little seat cover over the original seat. Not terrible, it's comfy. Sliding rear window, original visors. Does have some LED lights that are connected up on the front bumper, the switch down there. It is an original AC truck. It's got a newer Pioneer. Got your fuel tank switch, right hand and left hand. All the seatbelts are there and working. Oh yeah.